so today we're gonna, that was good? Alright, try it again. I tripped it. So today we're going to be making something that Harry Potter probably ate in London. We're going to be making scones, but we're making gingerbread scones because it's close to Christmas. We got this from World Market. We also got this from World Market. And yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Ooh, that smells like Christmas right there. Okay, so now I'm making the glaze. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna glaze them now, and we're gonna eat these for dessert and give you our thoughts about them. Okay. About them? About them. About them. About them.
All right, give it a taste and tell me what you think the very first taste. And just be honest. Okay, I need something.
I think it tastes good.
Yeah, but what does it taste like? It's supposed to be gingerbread.
Oh, yeah, it tastes like gingerbread.
It tastes like flour.
Okay, A, is it as good as the...
No.
Well, hold on, you didn't know what I'm gonna ask. Is it as good as the Harry Potter tea that we had at Universal?
No.
B, is it as good as the scones we had in Wales at Christine's? You said you didn't even remember eating those. Let me get it here. Let me get a taste it too. Ooh, it's not dry. That's good. What are you talking about? That's delicious.
Well, probably good.
That's really good. That's much better than any scone I've ever made in my life.
There's no desert here.
That's good. That's probably horrible for us. Oh, that's good. Tea's a little warm.
I'm hungry, so here I am.
It's too hot to drink. It's wild berry tea. Not bad. Not bad.
Really?
That's it. Say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please help us. We need subscribers. Goodbye. Say it.
What you said.
Ditto.
Subscribe.
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 Those are good.
That's funny. So today we're gonna.
No.
So today we're gonna.
No.
Oh. Okay, so today we're gonna be making gingerbread scones. Can you see my feet?
No, I can only see to your right with your waist.
You're gonna cut that out.
And you can say we tried scones at Christine's in Wales. Remember, she got those big, huge ones. My God, they were.
Starting again. No, we're not doing that. I can see your deodorant.
Just
Come
do
over
it.
here, do it. Do it. We got this from Walmart. What is it called? So we have to. Wait, we don't have to do anything. Okay.